From pharmaceutical organic chemistry, the topic which we have chosen for discussion is what makes alkenes, alkenes and alkynes different from each other. In this, we will discuss what are the factors that differs these three alkenes and alkynes from each other. Alkanes, alkenes and alkynes are all hydrocarbons with different structures and thus have different physical and the chemical properties. Now we will see what are the factors which differs alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. First is saturation. In alkanes, all carbon atoms hold the highest allowed amount of hydrogen atoms, while alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated. That is, carbon atoms do not hold the highest allowed amount of hydrogen atoms. The general formula for alkanes are CnH2n plus 2, for alkenes are CnH2n, and for alkynes are CnHn. Now we will see the types of bonding. In alkanes, it contains all single carbon to hydrogen bonds. In alkenes, it contains at least one carbon to carbon double bond, while in alkynes, it contains at least one carbon to carbon triple bond. While naming, the alkene compounds name end with the suffix ane, while in alkene it ends with the suffix ene, and in alkynes it ends with yne. The simplest structures of alkane is methane, for alkene is ethene or ethylene, for alkyne is ethyne or acetylene. Now we will see what are alkenes. Alkenes are saturated hydrocarbons, which means they are compounds with a single bond between the atoms. Saturated hydrocarbons are saturated with hydrogen and are the simplest. They are represented in general as CnH2n plus 2 in case of non-cyclic structures or straight chain structures. They are also called as parafins. In alkanes, there are 4 bonds for each carbon atom. It could be either carbon-hydrogen bond or carbon bond. Each hydrogen atom has to be bonded with a carbon atom. The simplest structure of alkane is H4. Alkane compounds are not very reactive. This is because the carbon bonds are stable and do not break easily. They have no functional groups attached to the carbon atom. The examples of alkanes are methane, ethane, propane and butane. Methane contains one carbon attached to 4 hydrogen. Ethane contains 2 carbon each attached to 3 hydrogen. Propane contains 3 carbon and butane contains 4 carbon atoms.
Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons, which mean they are compounds with one or more double bonds or one or more triple bond between carbon atoms. Alkenes specifically are those unsaturated hydrocarbons which have at least one double bond. Means there will be at least one double bond between the two carbon atom. They are represented as CnH2n in general. This is their general formula when there is no other functional group. They are also called olefin or olefine. Alkenes have the pi bond between the carbon atoms, and during a lot of reactions, the pi bond ruptures in order to form a single bond. Thus, they are more reactive than alkenes. Alkenes are more reactive than alkanes, but relatively stable as compared to alkenes. Some examples of alkenes are as follows. Ethene. Ethene has double bond between the two carbon atoms, therefore it is alkene. Propene. Propene also have one double bond between the two carbon atoms, thus it is an alkene. Alkynes. Alkynes are also unsaturated hydrocarbons. They have one or more triple bonds between the carbon atoms. Their general formula is CnH2n-2 in the case of any non-cyclic compounds. They are also known as acetylenes. Alkynes are more reactive than alkenes and alkanes. Hence, they are the most reactive. They show more polymerization and oligomerization. The polymers formed are called polyacetylenes and show semiconducting properties. They are highly reactive due to the presence of triple unsaturated bonds and readily undergo addition reactions. Examples of alkynes: ethyne. Ethyne has triple bond between the carbon atoms. Propyne, 1-butyne, 2-butyne. All these have triple bonds between the unsaturated carbon atoms.
Now we will see summary. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbon, a single bond between the carbon atoms. Alkene are the unsaturated hydrocarbon, meaning one or more double bond between the carbon atoms. Alkynes are also unsaturated hydrocarbons with one or more triple bond between the carbon atoms. The general formula for the alkenes is CnH2n plus 2. That means the general formula for the alkene in this case in case of a non-cyclic compound is CnH2n, while the general formula for the alkynes in the case of non-cyclic compound is CnH2n minus 2. Alkanes are the most suitable hydrocarbons as the carbon bonds are difficult to break. They have remained unchanged for millions of years. Alkenes are less stable than alkanes and more stable than alkynes. Alkynes are more reactive than alkanes and alkynes. Alkanes are also called as paraffin. Alkanes are also called olefin. Alkynes are also called as gelatin and acetylene.